My code was failing, and instead of guessing, I used ChatGPT to debug it step by step. Here's the exact workflow. In this video, you'll see a real Python bug, the exact prompt I use, how ChatGPT explains the issue, and how I verify the fix safely. Here's the bug. This function calculates the average of a list, but when I pass an empty list, it crashes with a zero division error. Here's the exact prompt I use. Copy this. It's designed for debugging, not guessing. ChatGPT correctly explains the error and suggests handling the empty list case, but I never trust blindly. I verify. After applying the fix, I rerun the program and verify the output. The biggest mistake is pasting errors without context. Always show input, output, and expected behavior. Recap. Reproduce the bug, use a structured debugging prompt, review the explanation, apply the fix, and always verify. Subscribe for more faceless AI workflows for developers. I've linked the exact prompt and code below.